Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Teal Truck Center YouTube channel. My name is Jim Teal with Teal Truck Center out of Pleasant Valley, Iowa. Guys, we're a truck dealer on the very eastern side of the state of Iowa in an area they call the Quad Cities. We're actually located on Highway 67, only 2 short miles off of Interstate 80. Ladies and gentlemen, if you follow our channel or watch our website, then you know we always have the coolest, nicest trucks around. This bad boy just came in, and I'm going to tell you, you have not seen another like it, and you're going to fall in love. I'll tell you what, this thing just came in last week, and I had to drive it over the weekend. It is so fun to drive. I mean, I don't know. It just has this cool look, a cool stance, drives so nice, tons and tons of stuff done to it. It's only got 43,000 miles. Guys, this is a 2019 Ford F-150. This is a regular cab short bed. I mean, just take a look at the stance on that thing. Come out of the South, it's a single one owner, Carfax certified, accident free, and it's probably got, I don't know, 15 grand in extras on this thing. Only 43,000 miles. The price is unbelievable, guys. What a fun, cool truck. Coming into summer here, this thing's gonna be a fun driver. Gosh. Let me give you the walk around. Beautiful blue jean, dark blue all the way around. It has a fresh lift on it, done professionally. Really, really nice. Let me show you. KSP, all in great shape. Guys, it's sitting on pretty much brand spanking new 22-inch Hostile alloy wheels, deep dish wheels, 33, 1250, 22 tires. Those Renegade tires are pretty much close to brand spanking new. Got a real nice set of step tubes on the side. We're tinted glass all the way around. Really, really looks cool. Brand new bed cover on. It's got a factory bed liner, guys. Just look at the way this thing stands. Gorgeous. Again, factory tow package, truck sport bed liner. That's brand new. Factory drop-in bed liner. Looks like it's been in there since it's new. As you can see, I think this was basically somebody's show truck. It is in really nice shape. No dings on the bumpers, anything like that. Again, over here, this has V6 engine and it runs great. It's running right now. It's nice and quiet, gets down the road real good and gets amazing fuel mileage. Again, those wheels and tires like brand spanking new. But I do got to show you, look at this. I mean, it is shinier on the bottom than it is on top. That's how clean it is, guys. 000 rust. Bilstein shocks on the rear. Now this is another really cool custom option that they did to this thing. They took an interior out of the front, I believe, of a crew cab and made this bucket seats with the real nice big center console. It is super cool, super comfy, super fun to drive, guys. Again, full power windows, locks, tilt, cruise control. 43,000 miles. I just had it serviced right there. It's got fresh oil in it. Everything was checked over. I think that's the original stuff for the trailer. Factory radio, all pretty much stock on that end of it. But man, the thing sits up nice, drives nice. Where are you gonna find one like that? That is just too cool, guys. 2019, it's only got 43,000, one owner, come out of the South miles. It's the V6 regular cab, 2-wheel drive, does have a nice lift to it. It is a great truck, guys, and it's gonna be priced so low. Go to our website, tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Take a look at the pictures, check out the price. Guys, we can ship anywhere in the country. We can do some financing for you. We can sell you an extended warranty if you want. We're here for you. Anything you need, give us a call, 563-424-2000. If you want to get pre-qualified, go to our website at tealtrucks.com, THIEL trucks.com. Fill out the credit app. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. This truck is going to go fast, guys. At our price, at the miles, at the look. These rims and tires alone, we looked them up. You're looking at roughly $7,500 in rims and tires. Then you got the lift and the tint and the bed cover and all the cool stuff to go. Probably 15 grand in extras on this bad boy. And we're barely scratching the surface. So guys, give us a call, 563-424-2000, but do it quick because this cool truck is not gonna last. All right, guys, till next time, have a good one.